Hello and how are you? In another video, I showed you how to host a website on Leplet. But the cool thing about Leplet, I don't see it in other websites such as GitHub, but it's clicky to do, which is the env file, which is called personal data you don't want to sell in it. So I spent hours figuring out, but I don't want you to suffer the suffering I suffer. So you will go and log in into your Leftlet. So this is my Leftlet. 1 second, Leftlet. Little. Just log in. Log in with your password and email, but I think I logged in with the Google. Yeah, little. So now I have this. Then we'll create a new leaflet and just call it. And I wanted to have a Python, so let's search for Python. Should be the first one here, and let's call it env. Okay. Then it is created, and like you can see now it is loading. So let's try out something like print hello, for example, that's a thing. Run, it will tell me hello, and it's there. You can try if I just created a new folder and called it .env. It will say you can create environment variables, but it doesn't let you make. This is why you are making it in the long thing. So here in the tools section, just scroll down a little bit, and this is what you see. Then env is this split. Then I will add my secret key, for example, secret, secret underscore key. Then hey, you unlock the secret, for example, secret. And this is what I want. And just add new, and like you can see, this. Then to really insert it, just take this code, all the code, this code, just insert it here. And this is a valuable. To really do it, just type print, then print it. So my underscore secret, and this should do it. Yeah, do. Then I will just close it and run. This should do it, but the OS is not is not making it good. So why not like that? Since we need to really import the OS, since we didn't import it. So import OS, and this should fix everything. Now, when I click on run, it will say, "Hi, you unlock the secret all, and you can add anything inside this secret, and you can add multiple secrets just by clicking here and add the new key and the value and add secret, and it's in the tool added just type os.environ. Then these cool brackets, these, then just type the key you added. And this is all of it. And this is how you add an .env to Laplet or use it. And this is how you use it. The link of this will be down in the description if you want to check out the code. Thank you very much. See you soon.